wife, happy life.
So yun guys, I'm on my way home. Ka-out ko lang sa work. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kaninang umaga kasi it's really stressful. We are rushing and ayan, nandito ako sa parking lot. Actually, palabas na ang daming sasakyan kapag ganito. Laging traffic yung uwian kasi lahat may sasakyan, kaya ganun. And guys, so yun, alam nyo kung nasaan ako. Nandito ako sa labas ng OBGYN clinic kung saan ako nagpapacheck up dati nung buntis ako, kasi I didn't know that I need a paper from my doctor saying that I'm released and good to work, kasi wala namang sinabi sa akin. Akala ko hindi na nila kailangan, so pinatawag ako sa HR and they said that they need it. So I'm here now. I'm gonna get my doctor's note saying that I'm good and I have no restrictions. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit kasi katatawag ko lang sa kanila. And sabi ng nurse na nakausap ko, give her a little bit of time and she's gonna write the note. Anyway, first day at work, it was okay. I miss my job, I miss my coworkers, although I miss my babies so much. I try to focus on my job, and then every break time I keep texting the babysitter. Then she's very cooperative naman. She understands me, and I keep telling her I'm sorry because you know, I know she's busy, but I just wanna know what's going on with my twins, and she sent me pictures. So I feel so relieved that she's really taking good care of the babies, and actually she said she's so in love with them now kasi ang cute-cute daw nila. So yun, right now it's almost 4 o'clock and they're already home. Pinick up sila ni daddy nila around 3:15 kasi si Calbs nag-out siya sa work ng 3 o'clock. Ang out ko ay 3:30. So for the meantime, siya muna ang magpipick up kapag summer na at meron na siyang sideline yung kanyang pagmumow. Ako na yung magpipick up para makapag-mow siya. So yun, pwede na ata akong pumasok, baka ready na yung note ko. So guys, ito na siya. Ayan, Ginaline Regal. Ayan, I'm so excited to go home na kasi gusto ko nang makita yung mga baby ko. But I'm gonna have to take a shower first because I feel nasty. Tsaka pag sa factory kasi, diba yung mga dust. Ayan guys, I'm home na, and pasensya na kayo sa kalat ng bahay namin, ha. Ito ko buksan ang aming pinto kasi hi! Oh my goodness! Hi babies! Hi baby ko! Hi! Hey Brayden, why are you so... Hi baby ko! Hello! Hi Dawson! Mommy
You just
misses
smiled at me,
you.
didn't you?
Mommy misses you so bad,
He's starting to
Mommy
smile.
misses you so bad. Hi. How are you? Huh? How are you? How are you, Dawson? How
Come on,
about
baby.
baby Brayden? Malayo ang tingin. Why do you look sad, Brayden?
You look like you're making tampon.
Why do you look sad? Huh? Look at mommy. Huh? What's going on? Hi, Dawson. Hi. Mommy miss you. Hi. Can I kiss you?
Yeah, you're gonna need a bottle. I got 2 bottles in here. I didn't know he's gonna be home this soon.
Oh, hi Brayden ko. He was smiling earlier, guys. He recognized me. Hi Brayden ko. Mommy misses you. Hey baby. Look at mommy. Keep looking at daddy.
Yeah, what you doing, boy?
Hi. How are you?
Hi there.
Mommy misses you, baby ko. Huh? What is it? Tell me about it. Tell me about your day. How was your day with Tommy? How was your day there, huh? Did you had a good time? Huh? Brayden? I wanna kiss. Daddy is doing dishes. Actually, the bottles that they use all day from the
There's so many
babysitter.
of them.
Yan, ninugasan niya yung mga bote na ginamit ng dalawa maghapon. And I am doing their laundry. Ayan, naghahanger ako ng kanilang mga
I'm
damit.
going to take a look at the diaper bag. I think she said a bottle leaked, so I'm going to take a look at that and see.
Paper bag.
She said she tried, yeah.
Inside?
She said she tried to wipe it out.
God.
So we'll take a look at it.
Then the clothes there were dirty.
I think it was a diaper bag, she said. I had to take a look. I don't know how bad.
Have you seen me trying to get out from her driveway?
You?
Yeah.
Yeah, what were you doing?
I don't know.
I'm thinking, oh my gosh.
I know, I love driving that truck, but I'm still stuck. Oh. Backing up.
I should have filmed that. Then you guys would understand what I was going through when I was teaching her to drive.
I am so tired, guys. Grabe, antok na antok ako sa work. Kasi nga, konti lang yung tulog ko. But, I can't sleep. Gusto ko silang tabihan matulog. Kaya lang, ang dami kong gagawin. Mag-prepare ng mga baon bukas para hindi nagmamadali sa umaga. Maglalaba ng aming damit, uniform. And, buti na lang andun si Calvo naghuhugas na ng kanilang bote. So, now I'm just gonna clean up their diaper bag and see how bad it is. Kasi nag-leak daw yung kanilang bote. Kasi hindi kasya, mayroon kaming lagayan ng kanilang bote, hindi kasya sa sobrang dami. Nilagay ni Cubs yung iba sa diaper bag nila and din nag-leak. Siguro hindi niya nasara ng maayos.
Little butt, boss. There you go. Now you got a clean butt. Let me sit you back up. Oh, there you go. Got your butt clean.
Hi, Dawson! Hi, good Dawson!
Mommy talking to you.
Daddy, hurry up. Brayden is waiting.
Is he naked and waiting?
No, not
Well,
naked.
I'm ready. Dawson's all ready. Hi, everybody. Say, I'm all clean. Say, Daddy, cover my boobie. Cover my boobie, Daddy.
Ayan, Brayden is waiting. Next is Brayden. Pila-pila. Hi, Brayden is laughing. Hi. Hi, Brayden. What are you laughing at? Huh?
Say, Mommy, you're slowing us down.
Brayden? Laughing. I can't stop because you keep laughing. Huh? Why? Is it like this? Is it this one? Huh? Is it this one? Why you laughing? Guys, sinong macho sa dalawa? Sinong macho, ha? Macho, guapito, lalaki ng katawan. Ang cute nyo. Daddy is going to try feeding Brayden.
Why did you let Tammy?
I just finished feeding Dawson. Give it to me, Daddy. I will feed him. So yun guys, magtutupi ako ng mga damit namin ni Cubs and din maglalaban ng mga tuwalya. Tapos magpe-prepare ng aking baon sa work for tomorrow. Hindi kasi ako nabili ng pagkain sa work kasi ang mahal-mahal sobra. Kaya lagi akong nagbabaon. So ngayon hindi na ako buntis, hindi naman ako ganun katao. Kaya prutas lang yung binabaon ko. Taka sometimes yung ano, bread. Pinapalamanan ko lang minsan peanut butter. Naririnig ko na yung baby ko. So yun, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusubaybay sa amin araw-araw. I'll try to vlog still every day kahit na sobrang stressful at napaka tight ng aming oras kasi nga pagdating namin galing work, mag-aalaga pa sa kanila, tapos maghuhugas ng mga bote nila, daming gagawin pagkatapos ng trabaho, but I will still try to upload every day. I'm glad na okay yung first day ng kambal sa kanilang babysitter, and I know they're gonna be in good hands because she's really sweet and she has a lot of experience and she knows what she's doing. And yung diba yung sabi ko na I'm worried na baka hindi sila dumede, pero she has no problem of feeding them. Sabi niya nirarak niya lang daw sa rocking chair and then they starting to eat na walang problema, hindi katulad sa tatay nila na laging umiiyak at wawala kapag pinapakain ng tatay nila. So, I think she really knows the trick kasi nga, dami na niyang naalagaan. Kaya yun, lagi ko naman silang dinicheck. Kaya, every break time, lagi kong tinitext yung babysitter nila, and then she always reply to me and tell me what's going on, assure me like they're doing good. Like kahit siguro umiiyak, lagi niyang sinasabi, they're doing good. Para hindi ako mag-alala. Kasi alam ko na maiyakin talaga yung dalawang yan eh. But malay mo, hindi naman talaga sila iyakin doon kasi maraming bata at saka maingay, nanonood sila ng cartoons, mga ganun. So, siguro, alam nila na wala sila sa bahay at wala ako doon. But, yeah, when they come home, I feel like they're different person. Parang feeling ko nag-iiba yung ugali nila. Katulad ngayon, parang si Brayden nakatulala lang. Tapos si Doso naman yung tawa ng tawa. Pero siguro pagod lang yun kasi nga biyahe sa umaga, biyahe sa hapon. Pero nasasanay na sila. Halata ba sa mukha ko guys na pagod? Kasi nagdadrive ako, parang feeling ko makakatulog na ako habang nagdadrive na gaganyan-ganyan. So yun lang, maraming salamat guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye everyone.